everyone. Peace. You. Fantastic. I'm shooting this video from Cyprus. Woo! Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ain't this amazing? Right from Cyprus. That's the view. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Pretty empty, and I've got the freedom to shoot and to tell you everything about this place. Yes, the place is Agiana Park. Just look at the sea, calm and a bit of storms, but all the same, nothing really special. From that side, empty. From this side, empty. It's all mine. Yes. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me and subscribe to my channel. Give me some likes and let's chat again next time.